How to get virtual background on Zoom. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the process to get a virtual background on Zoom. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up the Zoom app and go to the meeting where you want to get the virtual background. So now once you're in the meeting, here in the bottom you will see here many options. So you have to scroll to the left, and in the end you will see here more and three dots. You have to tap on it, and then here you will see background and effects. Tap it, and then here in virtual backgrounds you will see here few virtual backgrounds. If you want to add your virtual background from your gallery, you can tap on add and add a picture to your background. For example, if you want to add a virtual background from here, select it. To select, tap on it, and the virtual background will be changed. Now here you will also get the option of video filters, and here you can add filter to your live meeting, and here in the end you will also get avatars. So if you go to avatars, here you will get few avatars, and so this is how you can get a virtual background on your Zoom. Thanks for watching.